How's it going, everyone? We're back with another weekly watch list. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So first things first, we are back at all-time highs. So anything as far as like resistance zones, none up there. So say we get over the previous day high here, I'll just be watching longs with the trends and the EMAs. Below the previous day low, I'll look at shorts down to the daily gap. There is not a ton of room, so that would be, more of like a scalp. But I will watch shorts underneath the previous day low. I'll look for this daily gap to hold. It's the previous all-time high. This is going to be a big area to watch. If we fail underneath this, I'll 100% be looking at shorts back down to the 670 level here, which has been a key level for about a week or so now. And below that, I just have 663. So, and this PDL here at 667, another previous day low here. So this is going to be SPY. That's what I'll be watching on SPY again. This all-time high zone needs to hold for bulls on the retest, all right? We'll go over to ES. It's obviously going to have a very similar look. All-time high zone, 6,800. So I'll be watching for a retest of this area here for longs or a break and retest long over the previous day high. Underneath that all-time high zone in 6,800, I have 67.90, this zone here. Previous day high twice, became support. Underneath that, 67.67 down to 67.58. Let's go over to SPX. Similar levels here. On the 1 hour, previous day high, previous day low. Underneath the previous day low, we have this daily gap down here at 65.72. Also, the previous all-time high at 67.64. So this area, this zone here, will have to hold for longs. I will not be looking at shorts unless we break underneath this daily gap here at 67.52. Let's go over to QQQ. Same exact look, all-time high zone. Going to be looking for that to hold. It's really that simple. There's no other way to look at it. Underneath the previous day low, I will watch shorts, but I'll watch for this previous day high hold, previous all-time high zone to hold for longs. Underneath that, my next level is down here, another daily gap at 611.42. Below that, down here at 607, 606. This has been a nice key zone. And then below that, another previous day low at 602. Let's go over to NQ. Similar look, obviously. Looking for that previous all-time high zone to hold for longs. Take it down the 15-minute. Underneath that zone, my next levels can be this previous day high, hopefully turn to support at 25,291. And then below that, this zone here, 250, 25,179.86 down to 25,131.96. Let's go over to the individuals. So AMD, new all-time high. Look for continuation over the previous day high. I'll look for shorts underneath the previous all-time high zone. I will not be looking. I potentially would look at like a range play underneath if we make like a previous day low, or if we get below these two wicks here. Just kind of keeping this zone on watch, if you will. We wicked here intraday Friday as well as here. So this 246 to 249 area, I really would only be looking at shorts underneath that to take it back down to the previous all-time high at 244. Let's go over to Apple. Apple also back at all-time highs. So I'm going to look for a breakout over 265. I'll look at shorts underneath the 260 previous all-time level, down to 258, 257, and then below that 256, 255. NVIDIA looks like it's making a strong push back to all-time highs. So we finally got above 185. This was a key level. We broke, retested above. So I'll look for this zone to hold for longs over the previous day high up to 190 in this daily supply. For puts, I'll look underneath 185's level again, back down to previous day low at 183. Below that, I have this daily gap, 180, 179 level. That has been super, super strong. So I will watch that. Tesla, as far as Tesla goes, had a really nice run up on earnings, rejected 450 again. So I'm not interested in longs until we get over 450 and move back up to all-time highs. Until then, I'm looking at shorts below 430 down to the previous day low at 413 to 417. And then lastly, we have AMD, Apple, Tesla, NVIDIA. Actually, we did already. We did Apple, we did AMD, we did Tesla, we did NVIDIA. Perfect. There also is Google. I did take a trade on Google on Friday. It was a really nice trade. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, but it was a really nice break and retest at pre-market high. Didn't work out. No big deal. Not the end of the world, but I will watch we did make new all-time highs, so I'll watch this previous all-time high level to hold or break and retest over the previous day high for longs. If we get underneath that all-time high zone and underneath the previous day low, I will watch for a move back down. If I look on like the daily levels here, that's probably where I'd look. I would look for a move back down to the bottom of these days here, right? So that's like 251.82, 249.16, and then 243.97. So we'll see. I might update that tomorrow morning. Monday morning or this evening. We'll see. Maybe down here somewhere here, this 250 area. So that's going to wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wishing you all a great week inside and outside the market. Every single like, comment, subscribe. Subscription means the absolute world to me. And I'm wishing you a great week inside and outside the market. Peace.